Use the search engine to look for R project. And click on the link to the R project website. And then click on the link to download R. Now you can find the list of mirror servers. Choose any server location and click on one of the 3 download options based on your computing platform. Please install the program. Now open the program. This is the graphical user interface. It contains the console window. You can directly type an R code here and can also execute the program. If you want to make a bigger project than just a single line, then it's more convenient to open a new script window. We can now write multiple lines of R code. Select the part of the code, and you can execute that selection. Now let's try a bigger project. Again, let's select the part of the code you want to execute.